Hi, I'm Tori, and today I will be teaching you how to add a comply notice and a permit to Sage Construction Management. What you're going to do is go to a project or a lead and select from this list or click a link below. You are going to scroll down to QC and Safety. Click on Comply Notices first. Here, we are going to click Actions and Add Manually. Here you can manually add your comply notice. The project number will be put in for you, same with the issue date, comply notice number. You can change the type and add a subject. The due date will be put in there for you, but you are welcome to change it. Companies and contacts involved in the comply notice. So here, they will have you listed. You need to add the to. You can also change this if it's not from you. Here you can add a description. Down here you can add references. Click Next. You can drag files here, add them, or link existing files. And you can skip it and finish. Then you have created a comply notice. To create a permit, what you need to do, we are on the project home right now. You can click permits here, or you can go to QC and Safety Overview, where you can click permits right here. You can do the same with comply notice. You are going to go to Actions and Add Manually. The project number is going to be put in for you. You can add your prime contract. You need to select the type, the subject, you can put in your application number, application date, permit number, permit date, and permit expiration date. So pulled by, it's going to automatically list you, but you are able to change that. Here, issued by, you can select an agency existing in the contact management module, where your existing companies and contacts will pop up, or you can enter a new one if you want. Or you can ignore it completely. You can add a comment. Hyperlinks and photos are available. And then you can select the status. It will automatically put in your status date. You can add files here, or link existing, or you can skip and finish. There you have created a permit. Now please remember that when I was going and picking the types and those sorts of things that have a drop-down menu, you are able to change that drop-down menu by going to the right over here and clicking the gear, going to Feature Settings, going to QC and Safety. Here you can change the comply notice types, permit status, and permit types. You are able to edit them, add, and you can delete them as well. Just please remember that if you delete them, or if you try to delete it and it's referenced on a project record, it will not be able to be deleted. And that is it.